In today's video, I'll show you how to turn a video into a GIF in Canva with no watermarks. First, open Canva on your computer and click Create a Design. Choose Video so you get a timeline-based workspace. If you already have your own clip, go to Uploads and drag your video file into Canva. If you're using Canva's library, go to Elements, switch to Videos and add one to your canvas. Once your video is on the timeline, click it and trim it down to just the moment you want. Drag the ends of the clip in the timeline to shorten it. GIFs work best when they're short and loop smoothly, usually between 2 to 5 seconds. Preview it a few times and adjust the timing until it feels clean and natural. If you want, you can add text on top to create a meme-style GIF. Keep the font bold and readable since GIFs are often viewed on small screens. Make sure nothing important is cut off near the edges. When you're happy with the clip, click Share in the top right corner, then Download. In the File Type drop-down, choose GIF instead of MP4. Adjust the size if needed, then click Download. Canva will export your trimmed video as a looping GIF without a watermark as long as you've used free assets. And that's it. You've created a clean, shareable GIF from a video directly inside Canva with no extra software needed.